Hello and welcome. It's an unboxing of this media player. Let's get it out of the bag. You know where I've got it from. So that is it. As you can see, it's in a plain box. And this is the Innoasis Y1 media player, music player. So let's see. Right. As you can see, that's a box there. Put that to one side. Inside, you have the media player. So then inside of it, you've got the USB-C cable, and then you've got a set of earphones. Now we've got all those aside. Let's open the packet. Bit plasticky, and there it is. It reminds me of pretty much like the old iPod. So let's turn it on. That must be it here. Innoasis. So yeah, you've got the language. In this one, you can select the language because a lot of people complained about, from what I read of the reviews, that it came out in German by default, but it looks like they've got a menu here where you change the language. So it says yes. So there you go. You press the back button here. So you've got the back button here. Bit fiddly to get to know the controls. That's the home button. Okay, so it's the pause and so all video. Then you press it again, and that goes back to the main menu. Okay, so far so good. It's actually picked up my Echo Dot. Okay, and then you select that. Okay, other devices, no. Oh, right, okay, it says not connected. So if we press it again, Bluetooth on. Bit finicky. Ooh, bit of a tiny thing here. So you have to rotate it round. And we've got music, audio book, photos. Right. What I'm going to do, FM radio, Bluetooth settings. Rightio. Okay. So that seems to be okay. It has connected to the Alexa. It's got wallpapers. Anyway, so sleep time, you can change that. Right, sleep, that means it can sleep, go into sleep mode after 300 seconds. Sleep time always 10 seconds, 15, 30, 45, 60. 2 minutes is fine for me. And you've got brightness, key vibration on, key tone, file extensions on, battery display on, date and time. Oh, you're going to have to set the date and time. Okay, today's date. So I've changed the backgrounds and everything. So I've changed all the settings. Something I like, just the FM radio. So I've now set up the time, date, and everything. Now a lot of people complained about the language thing, but I've managed to do it. On the display screen, it pops up which language you want to choose, and maybe that's where people have turned it on, unless that's a recent updated thing on the software. But as far as I'm concerned, so far it seems to be working fine. So all song playlist, so you've got all songs, but there's nothing there. So next thing we're going to test out, and I'll probably do another video with that, but I've set up the time, date and everything, so that's good so far. So that's it for now.